Hi there, check out the JXQXYN Large wall clock, featuring a stunning 3D retro metal ginkgo leaf design. Measuring 32 by 18 inches, this clock adds a sophisticated, decorative touch to any living room or kitchen. It operates silently with a precise mechanism, ensuring no distracting ticking sounds while you work or relax. Installation is quick and easy with included mounting hardware and clear instructions, perfect for any skill level. Its versatile, elegant iron art style blends seamlessly into bedrooms, offices, and dining areas. Handmade details give each clock a unique charm, with slight imperfections adding character. Packaged in an elegant gift box, it makes a thoughtful present for housewarmings, birthdays, or holidays. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.